Hey everyone, check out the QLOUNI card storage box that holds over 2,100 trading cards securely and stylishly. Made with premium waterproof PU leather and a soft interior lining, this box protects your cards from wear and damage. It features strong magnetic closures that keep the lid firmly shut, even during movement or shaking. With 8 included dividers and 3 foam stoppers, your cards stay upright, organized, and safe from warping. This sleek case fits popular cards like MTG, YuGiOh, and various sports cards perfectly. Please note, it is not designed for top loaders or magnetic card holders. If you have any questions, the friendly support team is ready to help. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.